What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the dirt bikes. Because I have these dirt bikes here. They're like electric Razor dirt bikes. They're pretty fun though. And we're going to ride around for a video. And hopefully you guys enjoy.
And my channel, or his channel, is Gaming More, mine's whatever. And I'm on the pink one, he's on the blue one.
What's up? We're not sponsored. Yeah, we're not sponsored or anything, so don't think we're sponsored. Yeah, and Bear, the other guy, he can't skirt because his brakes are pretty bad on his. So Razor sponsor us. Razor's not sponsoring us, so he's just joking. All right, now let's go ride more. No. Razor, please sponsor us. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Oh yeah, I can sit too. These dirt bikes are best for beginners. What is back? Oh god, I hit the curb. I don't know why I said what is back, but I just skirted and I hit the curb. I almost died. No. These bikes are amazing. Like my tire? Cool. Smell that burnt rubber. If only you guys could smell it. God, subscribe to me, not Bear. And, yeah, so we're gonna get our ramp. It's not that big, but a ramp is a ramp. It's like 2 inches off the ground, but a ramp is a ramp. Okay? Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. We're gonna do quick few jumps off the ramp. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. That's gonna be fun. And doing things with Bear is getting the ramp right now. Oh, excuse me. Alright, just watch me ride around for a little bit, and we'll be going on the jump after, like, Bear gets it. He's coming down right now. Well, he's about to. He's turning around in the garage. Alright, he's coming down right now. He's bringing the ramp out. Yeah, move it up more so I can see. Yeah, that's perfect. How are you guys enjoying the video? I just need to check something. Okay, we're good. Alright. Boom. I'm so scared. Ooh. Preston, did you see that one? That was good. Yeah. We're just gonna do a few more jumps off the ramp, and then we're gonna end the video. Hope you guys are enjoying. Like and subscribe.
To both channels and comment if it works. YouTube disables them for some reason.
Yep. I've been getting some clean skirts, as you guys can see. Yeah, his brakes don't really work, as I told you earlier in the video, but
bumps and then maybe a flyby or like a skirt and then win the video.
Yep.
Not right now.
Hopefully you guys are enjoying, and keep riding. My thing turned off for some reason. Now I have to, okay, there we go.
Remember, I'm always the better rider.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And then Bear's going to come down, the other YouTuber, and then we're going to end the video.
I know. I was just talking to him.
Hope you liked the video.